Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will try to extend what we have done so far to train the model again with some new data and try to deploy the model or update the model in our already published deployment. So for that, uh, we will have to still use these teachable machines uh, application or the web service from Google, and I will open up my previous project and try to train the model with new set of images. So in our previous example, we have trained the model with cats, dogs, and deer. So I will try to train the model including cows as well. So it will differentiate four types of animals instead of three that has been done before. For that, I have to move to Teachable Machines website. I hope you can see it. There, I will open up existing project from Drive. So I hope I have it in my Drive. Sorry. Examples folder. Find it. What's the name of my project? The see, it's animal classification. Right. So there is my teachable machines here. Animal classification. Right. Now we have almost opened the project. So, okay. So this is the previously trained project, right? So now I have downloaded a set of new images with cubs. So that is in my images folder in my drive. It's my images folder. Now I have a new set of images. Oh, what has happened? Images are not there. Let me see from my local machine. Then I have to upload the images. See, we have 12 images. I will upload the 12 images. Sorry. Oh, something is bothering me. Okay. I'm uploading it. May take a little while, but hope you can bear with me for that. Uh, yeah. If I open this, you will see I have images of cubs there, right? So I will train the model with 10 of these images and then use the 11th and 12th one for testing. Let's go for teachable models. I will update the model with adding a new class. It's called cow. Now I have to upload new images. Go to Google Drive. Now I have all the cubs. I will ask this to use 1 to 10 images, leaving 11 and 12 behind. Right. Images are loaded. Now I have 4 classes of images. Training parameters I'm going to leave as it is, and I will train the model. So once this training is finished, I will first test it here and then download, unzip and use the files. Yeah, now all the epochs are going on. Yeah, it's fine. Now it's trained. Now we'll try to see if I can test the image, right? I will get an image from probably Google Drive for testing. Curves, say I'm finding 12th image of curves. Yeah, it's here. It identified it as a cow, right? And I'll see if I can do one more image. Let's say I'll take a deer image, take 11th one. Now it is identified as deer, right? So it looks fine. Now let's export the model. Export the model, and we are exporting use TensorFlow. saved model, and then download my model. So downloading will take a little while. Once it finishes, I will see it here, right? So let's wait until it's been downloaded. Now I can see this conversion has finished. So it is downloaded to my downloads folder, right? It's here. I will take it to my working folder for clarity. Right now, this is my working folder. So here I have SIPs models here. So this should be an examples folder, but now the previous one I will name as the older version as one, and I will, oh, you may not be able to see this window. Hold on. I will share the full screen. Sharing. Share this. Okay. Share the mm, screen for now. Okay. Now in my appropriate folder, I'm going to paste the newest converted saved model, and I have to unzip and get the model itself because in order to upload this to Hugging Face, I need the file itself, not the zip version. So I will extract this, extract all. This, so extracted one is here. I'm going to take this and the ones that I'm publishing, I'm putting into this published version. So I'm going to save it here. So there, now this model is again, there is an older version. So I'm going to name it as one. So this is the new model. Oh, sorry. Right now, I will go to my Hugging Face account. It's here. So in Hugging Face, let's try to see my space. So I have this example space, that is where we were working on. So I go to files. Why isn't the app running? I can't see the app. Yeah, I can see it now. Okay, so here model is here. Now it's amazing if I can just override this model by the new model, but that's not how it works here. This is like GitHub. I have to commit the newer ones. So instead of installing GitHub and doing the commits, what I would do is I will just commit file by file. So I'll go here and go to contribute, upload files. Let me see if I can upload the whole thing at once. Since I have the upload files option, I may be able to upload, but I'm not sure. Let's try to go here, go to contribute, upload files. If I just put this model folder here, I don't know whether it will work. We'll try. Add an extended description. Okay, let's say updated the train model with the addition of cow class. So let's try to commit the changes. It looks like it's working. Okay, so in the now the models folder is updated. Uh, Save model. Okay, looks okay. Let's see. Now let's go to the app. And now it's restarting because the file has been updated. So I have to wait until it finishes the restarting process. Until then, I try to, oh no, history of 3 commits. It has 3 commits. Let's go and see. Yeah, it has initial commit, uploaded 6 files, and now uploaded 4 files. Right. So this is the new one. Go back. Now it's running, it seems. Go to app. Now let's try to upload a file. Let's see. My downloads. Let's try to add this cow 11. Submit. Oh, it says cow, right? So this is updated because previously I could not check cows. So I could not identify cows. Now I can. Go back. Upload. Let's try to upload. Let's say a cat. Well, submit. Yeah, now it shows that as a cat, right? So now we can see we have updated the train model with the addition of deer into our model. And then I have downloaded the model, extracted the zip file, got the model itself, and uploaded it or committed it to our uh, project in or our space in Huggingface, and restarted the app. Once we do all that, now our project is updated, or our model is updated, and we can detect the deer as well in this model. So that is how we update a model. So you don't have to like train the whole thing at once and upload it to the Hugging Face. So we can do it face by face. That's what I wanted to show. Right. Thank you.